Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, my name is Diana and I am a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content creator, so go ahead and subscribe and join the family. Today's video is a very exciting one because this is my first luxury purchase of 2021. It's from Gucci. This bag is so pretty. So I haven't really gifted or treated myself to anything luxury or name brand really since like back in 2018 when I bought my LV, my Louis Vuitton pouch. So it's been about 3 years since I treated myself. So because of the price of the item, of the shoes that I'm going to show you guys, that's why I decided to just splurge on it and just, well, not necessarily splurge because I don't think that the price is that bad. I'll talk to you guys about the price in a moment and all that. But I actually went and got these at the Gucci store. I went with my friend Stephanie. We wanted to see them in person because we were in between a couple of colors. I'm gonna go ahead and open them for you guys, show you guys the color that I got, why I got the color, and show you guys also the color that I was going back and forth with. So this is what the box looks like. I like that it's very elegant, very minimalistic, very pretty. It has like a little like grip detail, so it really gives you a lot of grip when you're holding it. That's what I like about it. This isn't like my first time opening the box because this box right here is actually like the one that I tried in the store when I was trying on these shoes. So when I told her that I was gonna take them, she just you know, bagged it up for me and gave me the same box. So when you open it, it brings the authentication cards, and those are the cards that just fell. So it brings these authentication cards. It brings like 3 of them, right? And they all, I don't even know. I don't really read these, but okay. So yeah, it comes with those cards, and then I'll unwrap the paper. Here are the shoes, and then they are each wrapped in their own separate dust bags. So beautiful. And here they are together. So these shoes actually come in a beautiful array of colors. They also come in the one that I really wanted, like a beautiful Barbie pastel pink. They also come in like a yellow, kind of like this. They come in white, they come in black, they come in green. I wanted to go to the store because I was in between the blue and the pink. The first time that I ever saw these shoes about 3 months ago, I saw them in pink, and so I thought, oh my god, I need to get like these unique pink pair of shoes. But then when I went into the store, and then the more that I thought about when I had them both on, as much as the pink just popped and they were so stunning, they're literally to die for, I ended up going with the blue because I kind of wanted to play it safe. Even though the blue is such a beautiful pop of color for like the spring and even the summer. So the way that I justified it is that I wanted a nice pop of color that I could still wear for more than just the spring and the summer season without being boring and just getting the white or the black pair. Even though those pairs are also stunning, don't get me wrong, if you want the black or the white, also go for it. Shit, I would even get the black and the white if I could. But I don't know, the blue is just such a stunning like baby blue, pastel blue. The color is what makes these a statement shoe, so that's why I knew that if I was gonna buy these sandals, I couldn't just go neutral with the black or the white. I needed to get a pop with either the blue or the pink. Size wise, I'm usually a size 7 or 7.5. Gucci doesn't have half sizes, so I just went for the 7 and they fit me perfectly. Retail for these is $350, and with tax here in the city of New York, it came out to $381. So to read you guys the product details on the Gucci website, a playful twist on an essential style, recalling the 90s, a chunky heel, and embossed logo detail add a retro appeal. So pastel blue rubber, embossed Gucci logo, rubber sole. The height of the heel is 2.4 inches, made in Italy. Gucci products are made with carefully selected materials. Please handle with care for longer product life. When I tried them on at the store, I kept walking around with them and they were super comfortable. Not only is the heel like a very good height, but also the fact that it has the platform to just even out the height of the heel in general. Like, you don't even feel like you're wearing high heels when you're wearing this sandal. I am so excited to start styling spring and summer looks with these sandals. The blue color is so stunning. I do not regret my choice at all with the color, because I know that I'm gonna end up getting the pink anyways. Knowing me, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to stop thinking about those pink shoes, so I'm definitely gonna go back for them soon, maybe like around May or June, like just at the peak of summer, I'm thinking. Because of the price, I don't mind splurging getting that second color as well, and also just knowing that these are like quality shoes that are gonna last me years and years and years, that it's in colors that are in every single spring and summer. I mean, pink and blue pastels for the spring and summer, that's like literally on repeat every single year. Also, because of the material, I feel like these are gonna last forever, because I mean, it's rubber. Like, how could you possibly mess up rubber unless you like burn it? But I don't know how I would burn these shoes, but they're very sturdy. It's like a very hard, good quality rubber. So yeah, I just know that these are gonna last me forever, and I am super happy with my purchase. And that brings us to the end of the video, you guys. I'm very curious and interested in which color you guys would choose if you were to get, or if you are going to buy these shoes. Comment down below which color you would buy. I'll see you all in my next one. Kisses, bye, and take care.